Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to a bank account using Ria. Let's get into it. First, log in and start the transfer. The first step is to get into your account so you can access your private dashboard. You need to tell the system you are ready to start a new job. Log into your account on the app or website and click the button that says Send Money. Choose the country where you want to send the money. You have to be logged in so the system can keep your information safe and show you the right exchange rates. Without this step, you wouldn't be able to pick your destination or see how much the transfer will cost today. Next, choose the bank deposit path. You need to tell the system that you want the money to go straight into an account instead of being picked up in person. Look at the delivery choices and pick the one that says bank or bank deposit. Type in the amount of money you want to send and choose how you want to pay, such as with a debit card or bank transfer, because it makes things very easy for the person getting the money. By picking bank deposit, you are ensuring that your money goes directly into their balance without them needing to find a store or wait in any lines. It is the best choice for recurring needs like rent or school fees. If you're using the app or logged into the real dashboard, you can enter the bank details. Put in the specific numbers for the account where the money should land. Type in the recipient's full name, their bank name, and their account number. Carefully double check every number before sending the money. By putting in the right details, you are making sure your payment doesn't get lost or sent to the wrong person. It is the key step to getting the right output and making sure the funds arrive safely in 1 to 3 business days. And that's it. To send money to a bank account using Ria, you must first log in and click Send to start the process. Then, you pick bank deposit as your delivery method so the money goes directly to the account. Next, you enter the bank name and account number very carefully. Finally, you confirm the payment and track it until it arrives. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.